Call me Bano. Baliw, hindi senior mo yung kausap ko. Wala akong oras. Problem right now. Kaya nagkakaroon ako ng existential crisis. Para bang mas dito ko na lang grabe, ship na ship ka ha. Botong-boto ka dyan sa senior mo ha. For what to? Ano? Kasi para lumapat yung makeup ng maayos. Excuse my bare face.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit?
Kasi dumalo naman sa iya kasi I think may ano siya ngayon. Yung duty. Tsaka nagtitraining ata siya ng basketball ba? I don't know. Check mo na lang.
The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl to find that. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. Leaving me. We got sticks in the plug illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members, we got members, rest on the 401. We got a popcorn game, but there's more to come. There's more to come. You want shots for the girl, then order some.
I have a problem right now. Kaya hindi ko gusto.
Who's calling that shit? Who's
Nakausap.
calling that shit? Is it Stacy?
Ayan na, andyan na siya. Tanungin mo na lang. Iyain mo na sa iyak niya.
Is it Ashley? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function? Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? Baby girl.
Lotion. Eh, moisturizer yan. Gusto mo lotion.
Baby girl. Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance. Let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'm an ice boy beyond like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance. Let me see you twirl. Shake and dance.
Ewan ko. Hindi ko alam kung okay pa ako or
For the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie?